us as well. We have issues. We have, there is, we will be China. So these are normals. These are the normal issues, and we will definitely try to solve these issues peacefully with conversation.
Otherwise, we have decided that
in between the 84
84
and
but
81
because there are some continuation was going on, that is why we shift.
Without restricting time. And then when I received that letter from your side, your warm welcome, and we are happy to come here as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So very lovely view. That is why.
Permanent demand others.
Yes, and
The
that
process is going on, but it will take a bit of time. I hope it will be established very soon. I require your support as well. The work will be coming over here. They require that. We require your support as well.
Okay.
So once again, thank you.
একটু সাইড
শুনেন, পুরুষ মানুষ তো এভাবে ভয় পেলে চলে না, বুকে সাহস রাখতে হয়। যা বলবেন সোজা সাপটা বলবেন। তো এই শীতে যে শীতের কাপড় ছড়ে আসছো, এটা কি ঠিক আছে?
তোমাকে দেখার পর থেকে আমার জীবন থেকে শীত, গ্রীষ্ম, বর্ষা সব চলে গেছে, শুধুমাত্র তুমি আছো।